Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up USBank transaction exports to CSV for taxes, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your USBank account through the official website. Once logged in, navigate to your transaction history. Look for the section labeled Accounts or Transactions in the main menu. Select the specific account you wish to back up transaction exports from. Once on your account's transaction page, locate the Date Range filter. Select the appropriate date range for which you need transaction exports. After setting the date range, look for an option to export or download transactions. This is usually found near the top or bottom of the transaction list. Choose the CSV format as your export option. Click the Export or Download button to start the download process. Your browser will prompt you to save the CSV file. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the file later. Once the file is downloaded, open it to verify the contents. Check to ensure that all necessary data is included in the CSV file. If all data looks good, securely store the CSV file in an organized folder. Consider creating a dedicated folder for all your tax-related documents for easy access. For added security, consider backing up the CSV file to an external drive or cloud storage. This ensures that your transaction data is safe and accessible when needed for tax preparation. Remember to repeat this process periodically throughout the year for ongoing tracking. If you encounter any issues during the export process, refer to USBank's help section for assistance. With your transactions securely backed up, you are now ready for tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.